now I would request Dr. Ananta Raghuvanshi, the President-elect Narendra Modi, to conclude the session and pay a word of thanks.
Good afternoon to all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Memorable because it's Narendra Mahi's first event, and as the first president-elect, nothing could have been more beautiful for us. Preeti and I have been thinking about this and dreaming about this, and today to see it unravel in this form. First and foremost, I would like to thank our most valued Dr. Hiranandani ji, who despite his busy schedule found the time to grace this occasion, inspire us, and needless to say, has played a very important role in the birth of Narendra Mahi. Sir, you spoke about the values of trust and respect. We would hold them very dear to ourselves, and we would ensure that that culture gets passed on to all the members who join us. When you spoke about women taking on power and stepping in there, it was beautiful coming from the city of Bollywood. It's almost like kuch to log kahenge, logo ka kaam hai kehna. And I think that is what the women have to start dealing with. So that was a very inspirational thing. We are totally charged, electrified, and the Josh is high and ready for combat duty. That I can assure you. As your president-elect, I would do my best to take these values forward. Rajan sir, I hold him very, very dear. And though I haven't known him for very long, it seems like I have known him for very long. He's very intuitive, and I still remember the first conversation that I had with him, and Preeti told me, she says, you just speak to him once and you will, be in a different zone. And we have experienced that. Rajan sir, you spoke about failure and learnings out of that and not having the fear of failures. What I would like to assure our audience here is that Narendra Mahi brings on the platform, learn from the failings of others. We are sitting here who have done that journey from 1991 to 2021, and we will be happy to share our experiences with you. So Mahi gives the women, younger women, that platform where आपको हर खड्डे में खुद गिर के नहीं चलना है. हम जो कर चुके हैं वो आप सीख लीजिए. Very late in my journey, I went on to do my PhD because I had realized that what was lacking was data mining. So much of data was available even in the most professional organizations where I held CSO positions, DLF, EMAR, MGF, DMAC, and now Experion. And that analytical ability, it's a scientific industry. It's not just brick and mortar. And once that mindset is in place, I think sky is the limit. So Rajan sir, it was a very important point you touched upon about failure and the learnings thereof. So a big thank you to you for that. I would also express my heartfelt thanks, and here comes the heart from Delhi to Bombay, to Tara Subramaniam ma'am for her contribution, motivation, direction, and inspiration. And you, ma'am, spoke about relationships. Father-daughter, here, it is whether somebody looks at you as a Didi or a Gigi or a Jijosa, you are the big Didi for all of us. And it's a relationship that we would be carrying forward in our lives. The way you open your heart and soul to us, and in a very subtle manner, you talk about your experiences and put wisdom into our head without even realizing it. We love you for that, Taraji. Yeah. And if you remember, मैंने तो बोला था माही का नाम तारा रख दीजिए. अब माने ही नहीं, so now we are going the Mahi way, right? So Taraji, thank you so much for that. Last and not the least, a big thank you to my founder friends, Aarti. Wonderful, you're available at midnight to us. You're the think tank, you're the brains. Preeti, I feel like her big Didi, so the relationships are going in turmoil now. Preeti, I can talk to even at 2 a.m. For women, she says, don't need empowerment. They are already empowered. But what can we in the real estate industry do for them is what we talk about. So Preeti, thank you, and Care, of course. I remember my first meeting with her. Which year was that, Care?
Probably
98.
98. 98, we said, no, we're going to bring about the change. 91, I came in. 98, she came to India and she says, नहीं, मैंने यही करना है क्योंकि ये मुश्किल है. So that's, सिर्फ एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप पे क्यों जाए, ऊपर चढ़ के दिखाते हैं ना. So in America, they can keep their Biden and Harris. Here, we are going to be Harris and Biden. Let's bring that change in real estate. So that, a big thank you to the founder friends. Last but not the least, our Super 30 Club. Each one of you is personally known to all of us, and we've had beautiful icebreakers, even though we know all of you. And wonderful round of applause. You're all star women. We cannot do anything without you guys, and you have to be there to support us, Mahi girls. We love you all for that, and we look forward to your cooperation and support in achieving this. I would like to quote William Arthur Ward, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. So here today I present to you Naredko Mahi from the Naredko Mahi headquarters in New Delhi at R.K. Puram. It's completely a canvas available to all of you. Think, contribute, work with us. Taraji is the most wonderful leader we could have ever had. Personally, I would like to thank Rajanji and Taraji. Rajanji mentioned about his 40 years experience, and Taraji has always been hand-holding us through this journey. He said he's got 40 years behind him. It's got me thinking I've got 30 years behind me and the best decade in front of me. Let's bring that change. So thank you. Stay safe, stay well. Thank you very much.